Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. A quick look at the headlines. NDA Government 3.0 holds its first cabinet meeting in New Delhi today. Newly elected Tura MP Saling Sangma resigns as Gambagre MLA. Government claims visible progress in financial health of MECL. Government plans to implement ambitious project through CM Solar Mission. Airport Authority of India to conduct a feasibility test for expansion of runway at Shillong Airport. Har Gauri Pagla Mela, a colourful celebration of devotion and dance held in Beta Singh. And now the news in detail. The first meeting of the new Union Cabinet was held today in New Delhi. Yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the new Council of Ministers took the oath. President Draupadi Murmu administered the oath of office and secrecy to Mr. Modi along with the members of the new Council of Ministers at a function in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Narendra Modi today took charge as Prime Minister for the third time. After assuming the charge, Modi signed the first file authorizing release of 17th installment of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. This will benefit 9 crore 30 lakh farmers by distributing around 20,000 crore rupees. Modi said his government will keep working even more for the farmers and the agriculture sector in the times to come. After winning the Lok Sabha election from Tura parliamentary constituency, the newly elected MP Saling Sangma today resigned as the MLA of Gambagre. He submitted his resignation to the Commissioner and Secretary of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Speaking to media persons, Saling Sangma said that he won the election due to the blessings of the people of Garo Hills. Sangma said he will be raising several issues in Parliament like unemployment, ILP and matters relating to the educating sector.
We have already forwarded lots of issues, especially from the state. Now, you might have seen that we have taken up a resolutions of language that is to be put into, considerations in the HCDU, that is Garo language and the Khasi language. Okay, and another, the one which we have taken the resolutions on the floor of the House is that ILP, Inner Line Permit. We will try. I'm not saying that we will get it. Right now, the advantage is that somewhat the democracy is safe because the BJP, the NDA, they have not got the BJP, they haven't got the majority. That's why there is a chances. Moreover, they cannot bulldoze anymore.
The state government has claimed visible progress in the financial health of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MECL and efforts are on to improve it further. Speaking to media persons today, Power Minister A.T. Mondal said that the government is exploring all options, thermal, solar and hydel, to generate sufficient power, adding the department is planning to go for an ambitious project through the CM Solar Mission. Mondal also announced that for the first time, all existing power generating units in Meghalaya are functioning at full capacity, addressing the ever-increasing load demand.
India is propelled by the country's US dollar 2.5 billion electrification.
Especially health department has gone out in a big way to provide solar energy for the substations, the community health centers, public health centers in rural areas where electricity connectivity is very difficult. That way is there. We will be going for a very ambitious project that is on the pipeline, is the Chief Minister's solar mission. These are there. In thermal, we don't see that we will do our own, but any private party, if they are interested, we can look forward because energy will be available in our backyard. That will be helpful for us.
With an aim to expand the Shillong airport, the state government has asked for the second survey of the airport. Speaking to the media, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Transport Sneo Bhalangdhar informed that payment has already been made, adding that the feasibility test for the expansion of runway is being conducted by the Airport Authority of India. This survey is being conducted at the airport to ascertain the feasibility of wider-bodied aircraft to operate from the airport. About the Baljek airport, he said the additional land is yet to be identified. When the land is finalized, a joint inspection will be conducted before going for the land acquisition process.
We are doing opinions for them also for that resurvey. Baljek, we are yet to identify the extra land. Within Baljek, I had a meeting this last week. My officer is on the job. So when we get the land, when the land is finalized, we have to go for joint inspection with the airport authority, with the officer of the administration, and if they are okay, we'll go for the land acquisition process immediately.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh on Saturday inaugurated the Cluster Development Fund project at Lumsimper, an initiative undertaken by the Right South Simper to preserve the environment. In his speech, Lyngdoh spoke at length about sustainable development, adding that this could be achieved through the active cooperation and participation of the local communities. He also assured the Right South Simper that they will work together to strengthen and preserve this place.
Basin Development Agency ki Rangba Baiban Blakan Lamphang Bene Regat Bat Kidiki Foot Soldiers Rumpi Hendais Pak Amut ki Balai Tre Regat Ban Penang Yakni ke project Berjok Kumai Mirandep dan Laisi Menshua Ban Rakhe Yaka World Environment Day Bat Musu Kabaya Hapa Kani Kajini Keduk Mendakan Opaisi.
Extending support to Binda CM's indefinite hunger strike in Shillong, demanding the black topping of the road from Nongpo via Umden to Sonapur, the leaders and members of Hinyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization Umden Circle today obstructed traffic in Ribhoi district as a mark of protest against the alleged adamant attitude of the state government. The road blockade, which started today at 6 a.m. at Yomau Long Marngar and Umden, will continue for 24 hours. Meanwhile, effigies of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong and Nongpo MLA Marylebone CM were also torched by Hito members to condemn their alleged failure to meet the demands of the people.
ngitheu bet hi na mata kini ki kali kamai ki commercial vehicles ba kimbit ban kamai mata kasni kumbang la ong ba kin haban ai kata jing krishan na ne kata jing sport ka jungi na mata ka jungi ba pen i ya kata jingi telilang ka jungi kan khamtam kini ki badai ki ba ki commercial vehicles ki badai na ki dong ki thang ki jingi ba khamtam me hoi kamdon ka jingta na mata ki nonglei ki nongwan khamtam ki khna school ki nong hikai ki nong pang kamdon ka jingta ki la ban lei ki la ban wan namar ngimdon ka hok ban khang yau pajba khamtam yau nong pang nong stom kibli sim dawai ki khna school ki nong kai ndai nang mata kini ki nong trei kam sarkar ki office sarkar ki hap ban ai kata ka tiga deang ka tiga mon ka jungi ba kin hap ban ya support lang nang mata ka program ka jungi mata kasi but khamtam nang mata ka road strike ka jungi mata kasi.
In an incident that raises concerns about medical negligence, a patient undergoing treatment at Civil Hospital Nongpo allegedly experienced severe blood leakage from a drip. The incident occurred this morning around 3 a.m. after repeated requests by the patient's attendant to get assistance from the nurse on duty was reportedly ignored. Reacting to this, leaders of RBYF Nongpo Circle has demanded strict action against the staff on duty and called for stringent adherence to medical duties to ensure patients' safety in healthcare facilities. In an effort to enhance tax awareness and compliance, the IT department is holding a taxpayers hub in Shillong. The 3-day hub was inaugurated today by the Principal Director General, New Delhi, Archana Chaudhary. Speaking to media persons, she said that the event was held as an outreach program to educate taxpayers about the Income Tax Act and address their grievances. Asked about the less collection of income tax from the northeastern states, she said that this happens due to a lot of factors like exemption and rebates which are offered here.
Northeast has various provisions through which people have tax benefits, rebates. So keeping that in view, our whole idea is to make people aware about taxation, and we feel that our outreach programs and our awareness programs will really help us in growing the taxation. When people are aware, when people know what is the benefit of taxation, then it will have an automatic impact on the tax growth of that particular region.
The Har Gauri Pagla Mela, an annual puja celebration held in Beta Singh, Southwest Garo Hills district, was held today amidst pomp and gaiety. Reflecting the joyous spirit of the occasion, devotees from various communities gathered to pay their respects to the deities Mahadev and Mahadevi. The Mela's highlight was the captivating dance by performers replicating various gods and goddesses dancing in unison to the rhythmic beats of drum. The district-level Inter-School Subroto Cup 2024, organized by the Office of the District Sports Officer, West Jaintia Hills District, officially commenced today at the Kyang Nangba Stadium in Jowai, West Jaintia Hills District. The tournament will continue till June 24th. This competition will feature a total of 61 schools vying for glory across 3 categories. Under 17 boys boasting 28 schools, under 17 girls with 9 schools, and under 15 boys comprising 24 schools, all competing for the championship title. The victorious teams will represent West Jaintia Hills at the state-level Subroto Cup, where they will clash with formidable opponents from other districts. And now, the weather report. Maximum temperature stands at 24.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature at 17.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 85%, while relative humidity in the evening was 87%. Rainfall recorded is 0.5 millimeters. The forecast tells us that moderate rain and thunderstorm are likely to occur at many places. Before we conclude, a quick look at the headlines once again. NDA Government 3.0 holds its first cabinet meeting in New Delhi today. Newly elected Tura MP Saling Sangma resigns as Gamba Grey MLA. Government claims visible progress in financial health of MECL. Government plans to implement ambitious project through CM Solar Mission. Airport Authority of India to conduct feasibility test for expansion of runway at Shillong Airport. And Har Gauri Pagla Mela, a colourful celebration of devotion and dance held in Beta Singh. Dear viewers, with that, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.